Grubhub gift card, redeem Grubhub gift card or code online. So if you have got a gift card from Grubhub which you would like to redeem on your Grubhub account, it is very simple to do so. The only thing that you have to understand here is that you have to use your browser or mobile. It doesn't really matter, but what you have to do is, in order to redeem a gift card, you have to go to the checkout page of a certain order where you want to redeem the gift card or apply the gift card to. So here you can see whenever I'm being asked to enter my payment method after I've placed my order and that I'm on the checkout page where I have to enter my payment information, right? On the mobile also, just the same process. Go to the checkout page of your order. After you have done that, under payment information where you are asked to enter your payment method, you can select an option that says add a gift card, as you can see here. So click on add a gift card button right there. Then all you have to do is to simply enter the 17-character gift card code of your Grubhub gift card. Click on add to my account. Depending upon the value of the gift card, it will be successfully used to redeem your order and give you a certain amount of discount. So this way you will be able to redeem or use your Grubhub gift card online. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.